Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about altcoins. Altcoins as a whole, okay? We believe they are going to die, they are going to collapse. Many altcoins, you know now, they will disappear from the earth probably by next year. Okay, I will show you some charts that are scary. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. By the way, make sure to get yourself Bitunix account with the link below, the best exchange to short crypto. You can short all crypto out there, man. Short and obviously long once they're going to do a bouncing. But really, you want to learn shorting, there is tutorials on how to short on Bitunix on my channel, man. Check it out. You know, bear market is here. Bear market is here. Let's go. So look, this is the others, okay? This is the others chart. If you want to add this chart to your watch list, it's called others.d, okay? That's like BTC dominance, BTC.d, so other.d, okay? Others dominance, okay? Now, this chart, okay, you can see it existed since 2015. Okay, this is a big picture chart. This is the weekly chart here we're looking. Now you can see this trend line. This trend line is very important. Okay, this trend line was support for this altcoin index. Okay, this is the altcoin index chart. Okay, for the last 10 years, man. 10 years uptrend, 10 years uptrend, up. You can see the climax top was last cycle, okay, in January 2022, okay, pretty much the end of last cycle, okay, and you see throughout the entire 2023 to 2025 cycle, again, some people think we're in extended cycle, we're going higher, whatever, nonsense, whatever. We don't think so, but anyway, you can see from 2022, okay, the altcoins made lower highs and lower lows. That means the altcoins, okay, we're talking about not the top 10 coins, okay, excluding the top 10 coins, the market cap, okay, of these coins is just keep going down. It's in a downtrend since 2022, sir. Now, most people are not aware of that. Most people are not aware of these charts because they are amateurs. Amateurs, and they watching news outlet and like rubbish on X, news articles written by people that never traded crypto in their lives, and they're listening to it. Like it's, I don't know, man. You know what I mean? So watch this chart. This chart tells you the truth about the altcoin market. Okay, the altcoin market. What does it mean? It means less money coming into altcoins. Okay, much less money since 2022. More money leaving altcoins. Okay, the dominance of them. Okay, they're not getting as much money as the last cycles. This cycle, you can see it's clearly underperformance. It's actually comparing the top 10 versus the top 10 or the Bitcoin dominance. This is very bad. Okay, now you can see it's broke the 10 years uptrend. What does it mean? It means it's going down. It means it's going down. It means it's broke bearish. It means altcoins are cooked. We believe altcoins are going to zero. Many altcoins are going to zero and will never recover. Okay, remember, all these altcoins, these are scam coins. They have nothing to offer to humanity. They're solving nothing. They're absolute Ponzi's, pump and dump, inflated, fake, virtual bollocks coins with nothing, man. They have nothing, man. Toilet paper. All of them are just bunch of toilet papers, man, that somebody created out of thin air, man. Remember that. Most of them are these Ponzi's, okay? Now, okay, this is a breakdown of the trend. Okay, this is now we're looking on the monthly chart, and look at the stochastic RSI is dying. Okay, it topped out here, back here, and it's just dying, man. It's not, you don't get any kind of reversal pattern here. You had a bounce here on the 2-week. Let's look on the weekly. Weekly have a little bounce here from the flash crash, but it's still cooked. This chart is cooked, and what's more scary, if you open the weekly 200 week, this is the green line, sir. The 200 week MA, and this is the 50 week that we love in this channel. If you watch this channel, you know that we love the 50 week MA. And everything below the 50-week MA, it's mega bearish, okay? It's absolute bearish. You had one moment this cycle when altcoins were kind of very bullish, okay? You had one clear moment was around, in 2023. In the end of 2023, the last quarter, we had the alt season. We had the real altcoin season. Solana, many names exploded. AVAX, we had amazing AI and meme hype all the way to March 2024. Okay, that was your real alt season here when the altcoins, the rubbish, the others, we call them the rubbish, the rubbish coins, pumped hard, very, very hard. Okay, now since then, you had a fake pump here on the others, in November that ran with the XRP, the HBAR, XLM, they alone moved this chart, moved this index up. But man, it's just going down, okay? And you see the rejection of the 200-week MA on the nose. Absolutely legendary. We believe altcoins are cooked. If you are holding altcoins moving into next year, you are swimming against the tides. You can see the clear trend. Okay, let me remove the stuff. You can see the clear trend since 2022, since beginning of 2022, is down, 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 and we expect more and more down to come to these scam coins they're all gonna be bubbles popping. Remember, most of them are fully diluted. They're very diluted. The market caps, these whales that created them, they can unload coins out of nowhere, and you will see rugs all across the boards on the crypto, and we can see it right now. We see it all the time. That's the best time to really study shorting, because you should short these crap coins. They're going to zero. Make sure you get Bitunix, link below, the best exchange to short crypto. Okay, I want to show you more stuff. Okay, so this is one chart. Now, the Bitcoin dominance chart, all the clowns on X telling you how bullish it is for altcoins. It's so bullish for altcoins. But we told you many, many months ago that we believe the Bitcoin dominance is doing an Adam and Eve double bottom. Okay, what does it mean? You have a sharp bottom here. This is the big picture. This is February 2018. And that was your rounded bottom here of like 2022, 2021 kinda ish. And this chart is doing a rounded bottom, and we believe it's gonna break out in the coming probably year, maybe years. It will break out and continue higher. And while altcoins are just disappearing from the earth, this is the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, and it makes sense because all the big money now is going into Bitcoin. All the ETF, the Michael Saylor, the DATS, the United States, the countries that supposedly buying Bitcoin, they're buying Bitcoin. They're not buying altcoins. They're not buying scam coins. And that's bearish for altcoins. That's bearish for altcoins, man. That's bullish for Bitcoin long term. Okay, it's bullish for Bitcoin long term because Bitcoin becoming a very, very important asset for the world, and it's growing, and it's already at the top 10 by market cap assets in the world. Now it took a hit, but before, not so long ago, it was top 10 dogs of the top assets in the world. So that's bullish for Bitcoin, but not bullish for crypto. It's bearish for crypto. For altcoins, remember, you don't want to hold anything into a crypto bear market, and we believe Bitcoin triggered a bear market already. That's what we believe. We believe our indicators. Let's show you more charts, okay? What else we can show you? We had the Bitcoin dominance. That's like relative to altcoins, okay? Okay, dominance and others, and you can also look on total free. Let's look on total free, okay? Total free show you all the crap coins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay? Now, look at this chart, man. Look at this chart. Look at that. What do you see? Okay, this is a monthly chart. You see it, multiple tops around the 1.1 trillion-ish here, okay? That was the 1.1 trillion. And then you see a double top here at the 1.2 trillion. Okay, that was last cycle. That was last cycle, and this is this cycle. Where is the pumps? Where is the strength of the altcoins? It's non-existent, man. This cycle is bearish for altcoins. Is very, very bearish for altcoins because many reasons. One of them are the meme coins nonsense that completely ruined the market. Okay, all these fake meme coins, the creation of all these meme coins and all these new coins and new coins, the investors, the retailers didn't know where to put the money. There was so many coins out there, so you get this market became a joke, man. It's a joke. And you can see in 2018, look, for example, 2018 top of the altcoins was here, 370 billion. Now in 2021 cycle, the 350 went to 1 point, almost 2 trillion, like triple. Altcoins tripled their value, excluding Ethereum and Bitcoin. Okay, excluding Ethereum. Okay, so, and now you don't even have double. You don't even have a 10% growth here. From that peak to that peak, you have like, man, 2%. It's non-existent. There is no growth on the altcoin market caps out of the big crypto cap. You get me? That tells you, boy, oh boy, altcoins are gonna get slaughtered. We believe. Okay, I'll tell you what I believe. I believe altcoins are going to zero, many of them, and I believe the big cycle for the altcoins, this whole thing here, you can see here on this chart. Actually, on the others, you see it better because it's bigger. But this one is from 2018 already only, and you can see here, this top, we believe, is going to crash altcoins a lot and into a multi-year bear market. That's what we believe. Altcoins are going into multi-year bear market, just like they did here in 2022. Look, 2021, they topped in November, and they went down all the way to November 2023. Now we believe they're gonna break down more and take even the lows here. That's what we believe in 2026, because we think there's gonna be a recession, there's gonna be a financial crisis, stock market will collapse, and crypto will get thrown out of the windows. That's what we believe. It's definitely gonna retest it. Not sure it's gonna break to new lows in 2026, but be open-minded. Be open-minded, because this is a... Remember, they're all Ponzi's. They're all Ponzi's, sir. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Smash the like. Share your opinion. What do you think about about the altcoins? Are you holding any of these coins? What are you holding, man? Please drop it in the comment section. Make sure to get yourself Bitunix account so you can short them. Watch the tutorial on my channel to learn how to short. By the way, if you want to come and trade with us, join VIP with the link below. If you want to come and trade with us, get all my trade alerts, market updates, my guidance, my courses, anything you need support, join CMVIP. Man, we've been shorting crypto for the last 2 months. Easy gains. And we're not holding anything. We're not longing. We're sitting in cash, in stablecoin, in USDT, and then we trade it. If you're holding coins, they are cooked, man. They're gonna ruin you completely. You gotta flip the mindset. Bear market is here. You don't wanna be holding anything other than cash, USDT. And if you wanna trade, short is the only way. Or once you get a confirmed Bitcoin local low for a bear market rally, then yeah, you can long it, but you want to take your profit. You want to be smart. You want to be trading. You don't want to be holding. Holding will ruin you completely. Promise you. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Cheers.